Hey, Drew and Karen, it's Dominique, your construction manager, along with Kelly, here to
Hello.
provide you guys your first weekly update. As you can see, we are actively working on your home right now. The plumbers are inside getting the underslab plumbing done and also have your sewer lines getting tied in as well. After that's done, it's going to take a couple days to have the city come and inspect the underslab plumbing to make sure it's all done correctly. Once that's completed, we're going to start working on pouring your concrete slab. I'll have another update for you next week. Until then, can't wait to talk to you again. God bless and have a happy holidays.